Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all good. Today I will show you how to toggle between dark mode and light mode. This is my website. Here I will add toggle button so that I can switch between dark mode and light mode. If you want to make this website, I will give this video tutorial link in the description box. Now I will add toggle button in the website. This is my index.html file and style.css file for making this website. Now I will add toggle button section. Inside the div with class name music, I will add div with class name Swiss checkbox. Then I will add label with class name Swiss. Add input which type will be checkbox. After that, add a span on click my function class slider. This is the checkbox. Now I will copy Swiss checkbox class and add CSS for it. Display will be flex, float will be right. Now the checkbox section is in the right. Then I will copy Swiss class and add CSS for it. Position will be relative. Display inline block. Width will be 60 pixel. Height 34 pixel. Margin right will be 6 pixel. Now I will add CSS for Swiss class input. Opacity will be 0, width will be 0, height will be 0. I will add CSS for slider class. Position will be absolute. Cursor pointer top 0, left 0, right 0, bottom 0. After that I will add background color. WebKit transition 0.4 second. Transition will be 0.4 second. Now I will add CSS for slider before. Position will be absolute. Add content. Height 26 pixel, width 26 pixel, left will be 4 pixel, bottom 4 pixel. Background color will be white. WebKit transition 0.4 second, transition 0.4 second. Now the toggle button section look like this. Add CSS for input checked plus class slider. Add background color. Now see the slider background color changed. Then I will add transform for input checked and slider before. WebKit transform translate X 26 pixel. MS transform translate X 26 pixel. Transform translate X 26 pixel. Now the toggle button look like this. Then I will add border radius for slider class. Border radius will be 20 pixel. I will add border radius for slider before. Now the toggle button looks beautiful. I will write a script for switching between dark mode and light mode. Before that, I will add CSS for dark mode class. I will call this class in the script section. Background color will be white, color will be black. Script function my function our element is equal to document.body element class list toggle dark mode. When I click toggle button for switch light mode, then the body, background color and color will be changed according to dark mode class. The toggle button is working. When I click toggle button, it will be switched between dark mode and light mode. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay well. Bye bye.